School atmosphere. Head teacher makes sure the teachers have adequate materials and supplies. This is a bone of contention in most of the schools in the Pakistani context. Teachers want to use materials, teachers want to use the teaching aids and kits, and there should be sufficient supply of stationery required by the teachers. The teachers should be encouraged to use materials instead of making these resources unavailable for teachers. The teachers should be encouraged to use charts, papers, and all other stationery in order to make the students participate in activities. Head teacher should know what is happening in the classroom. When all these supplies are made adequate for the teachers, it is also the responsibility of the head teacher to find out whether these materials are being used in the classroom or not. Those teachers who are making good use of these materials should be encouraged to use more materials, and also there is a sense to be developed amongst the teachers and the students that things can be recycled, and those materials which are being used in the classroom can be recycled and reused. This awareness is also very important for the students to have and understand that these materials are a source which can be reused and recycled. Students' achievement data are used to provide feedback to teachers. There is an atmosphere of trust among teachers. So the atmosphere should be full of trust and confidence. Everybody must be honest in working, have a commitment to work, and also be confident that they are going to strive hard to get good results for the school. The students' achievement data, which is a result of the effort of the school staff, the teachers, and the students, needs to be taken care of, that it is recorded and it is available at any time for any member, whether they are the parents, the teachers, or the head teacher, or any board which has a link to the school. Students' data and their achievement data can be used as a feedback for making things better and improve for the future. All the weaknesses can be marked by looking at the students' recorded achievement data. These records must be kept very skillfully so that these days, when we are using technology, the paper recording has become very less. Most of the records are done online. But even if the paper recording is done, the records are being kept in registers and papers. They can be highlighted. The weak areas can be highlighted with one color, and the strong areas on the student achievement data are highlighted in another color. So that as soon as you look at them, you can come to know which are the areas where the teachers need to work on, and which are the areas where the teachers are making them better and better every day by making them very strong areas of the school. The head teacher needs to know about all these records. Ideally speaking, the head teacher's office must have a display of these records so that most of the time people who are coming to the office and the head teacher himself can have a look at the student achievement data and find out where are the weaknesses, which areas are to be worked on, which are the strengths, where is the school needing some support from the parents and the community, and which are the areas where the teachers need to work, and how are the students going to be motivated to work in those areas. So all this data should be displayed in the head's office, and sometimes there are online screens displaying this record, which is very helpful for all the visitors who are coming to the school, because then they will come to know what are the areas the school is working on and what are the future prospects of that school. Even if it is not exhibited online, paper record can be exhibited on the notice board, which shows the strengths and weak areas of the school, and the student achievement data is there on the board, which also gives a feeling of pride to the students who have really achieved their goals and made their targets possible.